Crude oil today traded in a narrow zone. We have seen it struggling to stay below 73, and yes, on the upside 73.874. It is not willing to break past by, though it is traded with a little retracement throughout the day. While natural gas yet again traded bearish, we have seen it now moving towards the next targets at 3.1. What to expect now from oil and gas? With the US session, where to enter, where to exit, how to profit, we are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you two updates a day with detailed analysis and logical levels. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. Join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into oil, followed with gas. What's happening with crude oil here is after every drop, it follows with a retracement, and here also it is doing the same. Let it stay beyond 74, which is going to be the first critical milestone here. And then only and only if you see oil above 75, you can say that this is a reversal. See, straight bearishness is seen. This is the channel in which it is trading, and thus it is very, very important for it to come out of this channel. And 75, 76 is going to be the zone which is going to be a hurdle here, because if it stays above this, that is a reversal. It may possibly wait for the data tomorrow, the inventory data, which may uh, confirm the reversal here. But right now it is undergoing a retracement, and see higher lows and higher highs are then seen. Even if you see it is staying above 73.8, the lower price above 73.8, if you see, expect it to move towards 74.1, 74.2 first, 74.5 second, and then 75 third. So yes, 73.8 should be an ideal entry for us, where you can expect further rise. Stochastic rising, MACD after hitting the bottom, it is trading with divergence, looking upwards, staying bullish here, showing signs of further reversal. RSI is rising as well. On the 2 hour, what is happening on the 2 hour charts? Yes, it has come towards 20 period moving average, and it is struggling a bit. See, if you look at the recent time frames, you can see moving average is definitely trying to trade bearish, and every time it is traded with a dip here, it is tried to recover towards at least 20 or 50 period moving average. Now it is trading about 20, which means it can attempt to move towards 50. Now 50 means 74.4, 74.5 zone, and that is why I say yes, if you see it is staying above 73.8, you can initiate a buying position, expect it to move towards 74.1, 74.2, and then 74.4, 74.5 zone. Stochastic overbought here, while MACD after hitting the bottom has crossed over, trading with divergence, is staying bullish, looking upwards. RSI looking upwards as well. On the observation is more or less same here. This black line acting as a greater resistance, and see, if you know, or if you want to learn the importance of these lines, you can watch the educational video for the exponential moving average and the simple moving average, which I have released. It is there in the playlist. You can find the educational playlist, and you will find that video, and you can learn the importance here. Now it is playing out very, very well here. Every drop with the follows with a little retracement here, and that is why I say till 75 it is not to be treated bullish, and only if it stays above 75, you can say that the reversal is back there. The stochastic rising, MACD has hit a bottom, it has crossed over, it can lead to a slight rise. I am waiting for it to break the resistance. RSI rising, which is also very good sign. Coming to 4. Now on the 4 hour charts, you can see similar observation here. What a beautiful channel it is creating, and see the moving average is trading with divergence. Everything is perfectly following here. And in the earlier update today, I have mentioned, see, it is creating a step. It is trying to bounce back now. It is very, very important for it to trade beyond 74. Now I'll definitely watch out if the current candle gives a breakout here and does 73.8 levels, you can buy. That is the only level above which I will recommend you to buy, else it is still not showing any signs of uh, bearishness as of now. Yes, it is trying to recover a bit, and then 74.1, 74.4, 74.5, the next levels beyond this 75. If these three levels are taken, consider that as a reversal here. While on the downside, you should notice we are observing higher lows here, means it is very, very critical for US crude to trade below 73.2, 72.8 zone. This is going to be the prime support zone for the day. Any drop below 72.8 is the sign of a further correction in the prices, where 72.4 and 72 levels should be seen. Stochastic rising here, the MACD here is crossing over here at the bottom. Good sign here for the bulls. Possibly it can lead the prices higher. RSI flat here. So considering this now, and before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me on Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swift-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions, and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, looking at this, very, very simple. As I've mentioned, buying levels at 73.8, very, very caution till towards, or exercise extreme caution till towards 74.4, 74.5, and then 75. If these two levels are taken, I think oil is not going to come back down, and then we can just stay bullish towards 76. beyond this, sky is the limit. But right now, it is not showing any strength to break beyond these critical levels. And now on the downside also, I can see a good support coming in between 73.2, 72.8 zone. That is going to be the prime support zone. Only and only if you see crude oil trading below 73.2, you can take a selling entry, but then till 72.8 you have to exercise extreme caution. Below 72.8 is where the bears are waiting, towards 72.4, 72.2, and then towards 71.6, 71. In fact, 70 can be seen if it trades now below 72. Take your positions accordingly. Let's move to natural gas. Natural gas yet again trading bearish, taking the resistance from the 20 period. It is looking downwards. It may create lower lows here. It can respect this channel here. The lows of this channel are now towards 3.14, 3.12 zone and breaking below, which you can expect more correction here in net gas prices. Moving averages here are trading with divergence, staying bearish, looking downwards. The stochastic has come to an oversold zone. MACD also crossing over here for sell. RSI has come to an oversold zone as well, coming to 2 on the 2 hour chart. See, the resistance here is intact, and that is where you need to watch out. It needs to trade beyond 3.26 very, very clearly. We have discussed it. I have shared this in my earlier update today, that only if you see it is staying beyond 3.26, you can expect the bullishness. What has happened? Hitting the zone, finding it difficult to break. We have seen prices reversing. Now see, moving averages are here trading with extreme divergence, extreme bearishness, and thus you have to wait for it to trade beyond 3.26, and then only we can confirm that it is turning bullish. Yes, it can still bounce back, but only the storage data possibly might lead to a complete reversal. Right now, it is struggling to stay bullish here. The stochastic has come to an oversold zone. The MACD has hit a bottom here, trading with bearishness, further bearishness. RSI has also come to an oversold zone here. On the 3 hour chart, similar observation here. See this trading bearish, looking downwards. Wait for it to show any signs of reversal. But if you notice this, it has formed a ceiling here at 3.26, and that is the ceiling it needs to break. As long as it respects 3.26, I will say it is not yet to be treated bullish, because see, multiple candles struggling to break beyond, failing to do so. We have seen it reversing, and thus it appears it is going towards the lows here. Possibly we can see it moving towards 3.1412 as the first target, below which further correction can be expected. Stochastic is looking downwards, coming to an oversold zone. MACD right now trading with divergence and bearishness. The RSI is staying oversold. So things are definitely coming to an oversold zone here for natural gas. But this is natural gas, and thus you should be careful. Once it gets into an oversold zone, more sellers pitch in. Moving averages trading with divergence, staying bearish, looking. Also, you can find out the support levels here. It is breached this support critical zone here at 3.24, 3.2, and right now looking downwards. This indicates that there could be a possibility for a move towards 3 and 3.2.94 zone. Stochastic looking downwards. MACD trading extremely bearish. RSI coming to an extremely oversold zone here. Coming to the, if you look at the daily chart, see what is happening. A double bottom here and the bottom here at 2.94, and since then prices has delivered higher highs. If you connect the dots here, you can find out net gas has breached this bullish channel, and it is now looking downwards. Not a good sign for the bulls, and this is the second consecutive candle here. It appears that it may try to move towards 2.94 before showing any signs of reversal, and also there is a gap which is yet to be filled towards 2.8, 2.75 zone, which it may try to fill in the near future. Moving averages have started to look downwards, have started to converge. Not a good sign for the bulls here. Stochastic oversold, MACD looking downwards, RSI, and thus today you can sell here at 3.14 levels, expected to move towards 3.12, 3.1 as the first target levels. Very, very good support here at 3.1, 3.12. If this is taken, then you can say more bearishness towards 3.063, 2.94 to be seen, and then we can say a greater price correction is awaited here in natural gas. While on the upside, any buying entries only and only if you see it is staying above 3.26 levels. Though you can now buy at 3.2, it appears to be a distant target, but yes, you can buy here at 3.2. However, you need to exercise extra caution as long as it stays below 3.25, 3.26 zone, and once it trades beyond 3.2526, you can say now the bulls are back, and you can look forward to a rally towards 3.4, 3.5 zone, the next strongest resistance zone. Looking at the move today, it appears to be a difficult target. It is trading with bearishness. It is possible that we can see more bearishness today here in natural gas. Take your positions accordingly, take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live updates, join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session with more updates. Do not miss to watch every day the first update. This gives you a fair bit of clarity before the beginning of the Asian Europe session and the US session. You get the clarity on the levels you can, so that you can trade profitably throughout the day and without missing any opportunity. So do what that, subscribe, press the bell icon. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day.